Hey guys, I am here at Oleta National Park in Miami, and we're gonna take a look at the scenery. We're gonna walk around, hopefully get in some trails. There's a lot going on here. There's lakes, canoeing, cabins. So it's probably gonna rain. You know that doesn't stop wild man. So I got my umbrella. Whatever goes down, I'm still gonna push it through. So this is what I do. I'm the bird man, guys. I fly in any weather. Feels real cool out here. The sky is pretty cloudy, as you see, so you know something's gonna go down. It's been a little drizzle here and there, but hey, I'm here. I am here. Like I said, I am authentic and really in it. I hope everybody's day is going well, and I enjoy being out here. So let's let the party begin. And let's see, which way should I go? I was told some of the trails is closed due to the water, but you know I'm a naughty boy. There's no way I'm not going on the trail. So I want to see what this takes me first. Let's see where we are. Alcohol is prohibited. It's prohibited, guys. Actually, this park has no pets allowed either, so you can't bring your pet. No pets allowed on the beach. Oh yeah, they have their own little beach here too as well, guys. Their own little beach. They have manatees here, and you know, always gators. That's pretty much everywhere. I'm gonna break this video up in different segments, so each one probably will be like 15 minutes, so I don't make a long, lengthy one on you guys. Seagrasses. Here we are. I can actually see a huge lake from here. The beach. This is a trail too. Gotta come back to that. There are no lifeguards on duty here. Swim at your own risk. When you see that, you know you should be careful. And let you know now, this place is huge, folks. Very huge. You got people camping here. You got people barbecuing here. You know, picnicking. There's a lot going on here. Somebody's barbecuing now. It smells delicious out here. This looks like this might flows also into the coastal. I see boats on the other side over there. Once again, folks, this is Oleta National Park in Miami, Florida. You got water next to water. Here's a little lake over here, and I can guarantee you this is probably where the gators are, over here in this type of lake. Definitely looks like alligator territory. Very nice. All the coral rocks. Wow, look at that, folks. Let me walk on the rocks without busting my head. If I come here and fall, you guys will laugh at me. Beautiful. You can pretty much see at the bottom of that. There's Miami. Got the boats out. Very nice. Very nice, folks. All right, let's go around. This is why I wear my boots. As I always told you, love the army fatigues and the boots. Got to, especially in this type of weather. You want that grip on your feet. Let's see what's going on around here. Okay, this looks like I'm walking around to the beach area that they have. All right. They have an overview of people fishing over here. Oleta Park. Let's go see if these guys catch anything out here. Beautiful out here. Catch anything? Nope. It's beautiful out here, folks.
Or let you stay around this area. Like if it's a rental, they're only going to be.
All right, let's walk the other way and see what's going on. The weather don't stop, folks. I mean, you know, they're still out here. You got people camping out and all type of things going on. This is a small short line beach, but it's a beach. They made their own little beach. I'm not telling what's in that water, but hey. The sun is not out, but it feels great out here. We have a breeze. It feels amazing. So we're going to walk around the other side and see what I run into. How you doing? These are trails this way? Trails?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna take this trail. See a lot of trails going different ways. Before I go down there, let me take a peek in here. See what's going on in here. See more water. Yeah. This look a little suspect, guys. Boy, you know a big gator comes flying out at me. Let's go around the other way. Usually when it's raining, you start seeing some of the other wildlife come out. I know that crawfish used to come out. I don't know if they have that here. And turtles, snakes. Some of the animals that enjoy the rain actually look for things like, you know, everybody knows the bird goes after the worm when it rains. The ground gets soft. Wow, this is a long walk. I can see from the other side. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool, folks. And it's sprinkling. Looks like I better get ready to get this umbrella out soon. But it's been off and on all day. So if it speeds up a little more, I'm gonna pull out the umbrella. I hear people out here on the little beach area. Take a look over here. Oh, there's a lot of brush in there. A lot of brush. They have picnic tables and grills all over the place. Like I said, there's a lot of people out walking. They are in the water over here. Wow. It's their little beach, folks. Pretty nice. All right. I used to swim in the rain too. I mean, I remember people saying, "Well, it's raining, get out the water." Well, hell, you're wet already. What's the point? Now, if it's lightning or something like that, yeah, but, you know, it makes no sense to me when people tell that to me. Oh, it's raining, I'm gonna get out the water. Well, hell, that feels good. Like I said, if it's some type of lightning or something, of course, it'd be a fool to be in there, but if it's just raining, I don't care if it's raining hard or soft. That is nice. No, if I'm not swimming, I'm just hanging around. No, I'm not going to sit in the rain and get all wet for no reason. These are restrooms. This place is pretty huge. It looks like it just wraps around water. Crazy, just wraps around water. And there's different outlets walking. They have camping here and all of that, folks. Okay, folks, I am at the 15-minute mark. Stay tuned for the next video coming up at Oleta Park, and I'll see you in a few.